Okay, so the final step in setting this up is the DNS configuration. So basically, yung gagawin natin dito is kukonekta lang natin yung nabili nating domain name sa namecheap.com and yung web hosting services na nakuha natin sa hostgator.com. So, let's start. Ang una nating titignan is yung email na natanggap natin from hostgator.com. So, there will be several emails. HostGator will be sending several emails. Pero the one that we are looking for is the one that is coming or that came from sales@hostgator.com. So nandito lahat yung details na regarding dun sa subscription natin dun sa web hosting service. So the main important thing dito for the DNS configuration na gagawin natin are the name servers. So makita natin dito there are two name servers, which is ns41.hostgator.com and ns42.hostgator.com. So the next step, punta tayo sa namecheap.com. From namecheap.com, gawin lang natin is magla-login tayo dun sa account natin. So nung bumili tayo ng domain name, nag-create tayo ng account. So the username and the password was emailed to you. From here, from namecheap.com, puntahan natin yung domain na nabili natin. So, click lang natin dito yung your domains. And piliin natin yung domain name na binili natin earlier. So, it was frugalexplorer.com. So, pasukin lang natin yan. From there, punta tayo dito sa domain name server setup. Gagawin natin, i-tick natin yung specify custom DNS servers. Tapos, okay, balikan natin yung name servers na nakita natin dun sa email ng HostGator. So, nakita natin dito ns41.hostgator.com and ns42.hostgator.com. So, basically, ang gagawin lang natin, i-send code natin yun. Pasok natin siya dito. And then, click Save Changes. Okay, so nagpa-process lang siya. Hintayin lang natin to. And once the processing is nakumpleto na to, nag-complete na yung processing niya, tapos na tayo. Basically, yun lang. So, all we have to do is to wait na, hintayin na mag-propagate yung configuration na ginawa natin. So, usually, nagtitake to ng mga an hour to a day or an hour to up to 48 hours. So, hintay-hintayin lang natin. And that's it for the DNS configuration. See you at the next tutorial. Bye-bye.